Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating sections because Google Forms uses sections as pages. Click the Add Section icon to split the form immediately, then move or add questions into that new section so content appears on the next page. Once done, name each section so you recognize pages during navigation setup. You do this now because there is no separate page feature. Sections are the only pages. Make sure questions that decide flow are in earlier sections so navigation choices work. Next, you set the navigation. Change the controlling question to multiple choice or drop-down. These types support branching. Then open the three-dot menu on that question and enable Go to Section based on answer. For each option, choose which section follows. Next section, a specific page, or submit form. You do this because it controls the user journey. After assigning targets, also configure the section end behavior. Continue to next section or submit. This ensures predictable page transitions. Finally, complete and test your form thoroughly. Click the Preview Eye icon and follow every answer path to confirm each choice takes users to the intended page. If a branch ends unexpectedly, open the section settings and change end-of-section behavior or correct an answer's target. Make sure required questions are set where needed so navigation can't skip necessary pages. If things go wrong, check that the routing question is multiple choice or drop-down, and that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.